Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this new series, I'll teach you Playwright with Java from scratch using practical examples. But before we jump into the setup and coding, let's first understand why Playwright is becoming so popular compared to Selenium and who can actually benefit from it. So why Playwright? Selenium has been most popular automation tool for more than a decade, but in 2020, Microsoft introduced Playwright to solve many of the Selenium limitations. Here is a quick side-by-side comparison. So Selenium was introduced in 2004. That means it's quite an older tool, but Playwright is the newer tool and was introduced in 2020 with a modern design. Talking about the application support, Selenium works mainly with web apps, but Playwright works with web, mobile web APIs and Electron apps. Selenium is slower in execution. It needs wait time. We need to apply thread.sleep, implicit wait. But in Playwright, it's auto built. So you don't need to give anywhere any thread.sleep or any implicit wait or explicit waits. Selenium needs extra tool for parallel runs, but Playwright parallel execution is built in, so you don't need any extra tool for it. Selenium has limited cross-browser feature and Playwright supports Chromium, Firefox, Safari. Selenium needs a web driver, but in Playwright you don't need any web driver. It directly controls browser and is faster and stable. So in short, Playwright is faster, less flaky, easier to use for modern apps compared to Selenium. Let's talk about who is Playwright useful for. So if you are a QA engineer, you can write more stable automated UI tests with less code using Playwright. If you are a developer, you can use Playwright for quick end-to-end tests inside CI/CD pipeline. If you're a beginner, APIs are so simpler that it's easier to learn than learning Selenium. And for any companies or any teams, it reduces flakiness and works across all major browsers, which is a big win for agile teams. So does that mean Selenium is dead? Or when should we use Selenium? Let's talk about it. Selenium is still useful if you already have large existing framework built on Selenium. You need support for older browser or legacy apps. You rely on tools that only integrates with Selenium. So in these cases, you should continue using Selenium because that will be more helpful to you than working on the Playwright. So Playwright is not replacing Selenium everywhere, but it's an excellent choice for modern automation projects. In next video, we'll set up Playwright with Java, step by step, install everything, run our first browser test. Till then, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the tutorial.